Today we're going to plant some cactus seeds. This is the first one. We're going to plant golden barrel, and then we'll plant some Mexican fire barrel. You'll notice the seeds are in containers of water. They've been there for 2 days now just to soften the skin up a little bit. I'll tip some of this water out. I've tipped a fair bit of the water out. Now I'm going to tip seeds and the last bit of water out on this piece of paper here so we don't lose any of them. There's another couple in there, I'll get those. Right, there are the seeds there you can see. I'll let them dry for a little while and then we'll plant them out. Save those couple of seeds over there too. Right, I'll change my tweezers over to a more narrow bladed set because these are pretty small seeds as you just saw. Right, this is a potting mix we're going to use. You can see it's quite wet. It needs to be wet, but not super saturated. Now the first thing we do with it is we put some sand on the top, about 3 teaspoons full. Spread it out around the top as such, and then we mix it in to the top 1/4 inch of the soil we've got here. We just sort of mix it in so that it drops down a little bit and blends in with the moist potting mix we've got there. And then after that, we flatten it down as much as we can because we're going to put some very small, tiny little seeds on top of this. We don't want them to fall down into great cavities. So that is about what we're looking for. Soil nice and damp, and it's got some sand mixed in with it. Okay, change of mind. I think the big tweezers might be a better option. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick the individual seeds up and place them on the top of our soil mix. Spread them round a bit. They're not going to be individual, but they'll certainly be spread round. Get those couple so we don't lose them. And some more over the back over there. They're not very easy to place these things actually. First time I've done this, so it's a live and learn operation. Get some more seeds. The theory with soaking them for a couple of days, I'll scrape the last couple of these in and then look here to make sure that we've got all the seeds. I think that's one and that's one there, and also that one. Right, we'll save that because we're going to need that for the next batch. Right, so what we do now, get some more sand and gently sprinkle it over the top. You'll notice we didn't push the seeds down into our mix. We just let them sit on top because they don't need to be pushed down. Right, that looks about all right. I'll just tamp that down ever so slightly. Right now, we'll do the next batch. There's a tray I prepared before. These are the Mexican fire barrel. I'll tip the water out of those. I think there's only 25 seeds in this batch, so we don't want to lose any of them. And there's a couple inside there that didn't come out. I'll get those couple. There we go. I might as well plant them on there straight away. I don't think there's 25 seeds there somehow. 3, 4, 5, 6. There might be 10. I thought there was supposed to be 25 in there, but there certainly isn't. Right, we'll place these on one at a time, just on the top of the soil. I think I might have to buy them in larger numbers in future, I think. 10 or a dozen seeds isn't going to go anywhere very far. Anyway, it's the first time I'm doing it, so hopefully living and learning. All right, now some sand on the top, spread around lightly. Another one. That looks like it might be about right. Right, pat that down, and that's our 2 batches of cactus seed planted. What we've got to do now, we give them light spray over the top. That's all it'll take. And what happens now, each of these containers goes into a Ziploc bag to keep the humidity up, moisture and humidity, until the seeds germinate. So I'll close the top of that. You can see there, Mexican fire barrel, and the 5th of the 3rd 25. So I know when I planted them to give me an idea at how old they are when they germinate and as they progress along. Now I'll put the golden barrel into its Ziploc bag. Get it flat on the bottom, seal it up. Golden barrel 05, 03, 25. Right, so that's the first part of the operation. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take them upstairs, put them on our 23 degrees centigrade heat mat, put them under an LED grow lamp, and hopefully in a week or two we'll start to see some little bit of activity in there. Once the seeds germinate, then we'll remove them out of the bag, let the soil dry out because the soil needs to dry out in between waterings. One thing these creatures don't want is wet feet, so we're not going to let that happen. All right, so there's the first lot. You can see the seeds in the bottom there. They're pretty small. I'll use a pipette because this is how we're going to transfer the seeds. I'll get a little bit of water up the top first, then I'll squeeze it, put it over the seeds, and we'll draw some seeds up. You can see the seeds there, and I'll squirt them out on the top of the media.